Hi guys, my name is Adnan Hasbi and I'd like to welcome you to day 3 of our $0 to $100 challenge. Okay, so amongst the website which I found, which is really interesting, and I want to introduce this to you guys, is Fiverr. And amongst the reason why I like this particular website is number one, Fiverr is a listed company. And I think it just got listed in 2019, if I'm not mistaken. The second thing is the Fiverr marketplace is relatively vibrant. So if you are a seller, the chances for you of getting a buyer is relatively high. And the third thing, this is the most amazing thing. Let me just kind of show it to you guys. So assuming if you like baking, right? So I just typed baking over here a while ago. And then we search over here. Someone will provide you with baking recipe. Someone will give you a baking soda free deodorant formula, creating logos, so on and so forth. This place is quite cool actually. Okay, right now if you're asking yourself, baking is so common, why don't we just search for something even more random? Let's check out rock climbing, right? Over here, I typed out climbing. Someone will teach you how to rock climb for $10. For me, this seems like a relatively cool marketplace for us to offer our services and to monetize on our passions. So next, we're going to figure out how to sign up for an account. Okay, so to join Fiverr, I would appreciate it if you could use the link below so as to join. That way, I think you and I will get a small little reward for joining Fiverr. So after you have clicked that particular link, right, we can click the button join and maybe type in your email address. After you're done typing your email address, hit continue. Okay, so over here I'm going to type my name and my last name, and since it's taken, maybe I'll type 1. Okay, so Adnan H1. If you see the tick mark over here, means it's okay. After you have typed in your username and your password. And over here, we can see it says here, invite friends, and both can get to $100. So my suggestion is once you have signed up, please maybe ask friends, families, or people that you're close to as to join. That way, you too can get some money via the referral program. Now, if we were to scroll downwards, we would see 3 easy steps. So let's read number 1. Spread the word by email or your link via social sharing. Number 2, your friend signs up to Fiverr and gets 20% off their first purchase. Number 3, you will get 20% of their first order up to $100. So this is how Fiverr will pay us. In case you guys are wondering, me being an analyst and all, I always have to dig and dig and dig. And if you guys are curious, this is how they will do it. Another thing which you have to note is you have to go to your email account so as to confirm that you have applied for the Fiverr account. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is go to your email and click this button, which is activate your account. And just like that, you already have created your Fiverr account. And I would like to congratulate you and I would like to welcome you into the world of the gig economy where we can offer our services and also get money at the same time. Okay, with that, take care and I hope to see you in the next episode.